Check 1 2 1 2. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? This is not a drill, guys. This is not a drill. Look at this. All right, so, but even though it is not a drill, the market right now is seeing some uptrend. We got Kava up 5%, and we got Conflux up 2.3%. On Conflux, I am in a trade on Conflux right here. All right, I'm up 73% on my 20x long here. And then I'm up 36% on a little small trade here. I just wanted to throw some funny money in here while I knew it was dipping. And I saw these, ApeCoin was down 17%. Conflux was down also a good 18%. So I figured when it's down almost 20%, we're going to see some moves up to the upside. So there you go. So what's going on, guys? My name is Daniel Curtis Hughes. Welcome to Dano Crypto. I want you guys to smash the like button. I want you to hit the subscribe button. I want you to tweet this out if you are in this stream right now. I got 2 viewers. If you're in here, say hello in the chat. And I want you guys to get this link here. And I want you to retweet this out. Retweet it out, so we can get more people in here. All right, so what we are talking about, the big news, is that the SEC versus Binance. So we're going to go to the news here. So Bitcoin plummets after SEC sues Binance for securities violations. So the agency alleged that Binance's native tokens, including BUSD and BNB, are unregistered securities. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has filed a lawsuit against Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, on Monday alongside its CEO Changpeng Zhao, CZ. That's what he's referred to in the crypto community, CZ, and partner firm Binance US. Allegations include security laws violations such as self-dealing, market manipulation, and the sale offer of multiple unregistered securities. According to a press release from the SEC on Monday, the agency alleged that both Binance and Binance US operated unregistered national securities exchanges, broker deals, and clearing agencies. Some of Binance's registered... So there's something that I do know about Binance and BUSD on their stablecoin. So their stablecoin, BUSD, is issued by Paxos. So Paxos is a company that I think is based out of New York. So if we were to look at Paxos, go to Paxos infrastructure. Let's see. They are Paxos Trust. See here. And I'm pretty sure they are the ones that they're the crypto brokerage and stablecoin and payments, blockchain-based solutions for payments, money movement, Pax Gold. And they are the ones who are issuing the BUSD. So in this article, let's keep going. So some of Binance's unregistered products included staking programs. So that's another thing that the SEC is going after Coinbase for, is their staking program. And also Kraken as well. Certain crypto lending products and its native exchange tokens, BUSD and BNB. The SEC also echoed allegations from the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission in March, such as market manipulation and illegal services to U.S. clients in its international platform. Through 13 charges, we allege that Zhao and Binance and entities engaged in extensive web of deception, conflicts of interest, lack of disclosure, and calculated invasion of the law, said SEC Chair Gary Gensler. You know, this is such crap because, you know what? You know, the SEC is pulling their last stop when Gary Gensler is about to get booted out. You know, according to, it was just on this Twitter space I'm actually tuning into right now, that's been referred to, you know, this bill that's going to be coming into place where they're going to actually have some clear rules and regulations on what and an application form where companies and cryptocurrencies can actually register and have some clear ground rules. And hold on just a second. Yeah, so just some clear ground rules. So I think Gary Gensler is pushing this as his last stand here, and so we're going to see what happens. So what I did though, as support for Binance, I went on to Binance, and I have a account with Binance.us, and I went on their app. So if you guys go onto their app, you can see that you can purchase a domain name just like you can with an Ethereum name service and ENS. You can purchase a Binance US domain. They're anywhere between $10 and $20. You'll pay that in USD on the platform. So I went ahead and did that. I thought it was a perfect time to do it in support for them. You guys should do the same. You can type in a name and see if it's available, and it'll let you know. And it was pretty quick. I'm not sure if it's available just yet, but I can see. You can pop in the app and see if it is available. Let's check it out. So this is just, if you guys don't have a Binance account, I think right now would be a perfect time to show, hey, we love Binance in America. We don't want them going anywhere. We don't want crypto in America to go away. So we have to, it's a way for us to vote. So we have to vote for, the way that we vote is we have to use the things that we like, and we have to tell our government what we like, and we like crypto. So that's what we have to tell people. So that's just a reminder to you guys. You have to, if you're in this space and you want to make money in crypto, you want, to actually have crypto mass adoption, you want the things that you've been buying for months and years to actually be, successful, then you have to be a proponent of, you have to be on the side of crypto. You have to say, okay, well, this is crap. I'm going to flood my feed with stuff about Binance and anything that has to do with crypto adoption. So let's check and see how the ENS is doing here. Or not the ENS, but okay. All right, I think it is ready. Claimed on June 5th, 2023 at 7 o'clock. Awesome. All right, yeah. If you're in here, you guys gotta pop in. You gotta pop in the chat. You gotta say hello. I got 0 concurrent viewers. I had 2 people pop in, and now they're gone. It's 8:37 here on the East Coast. We're looking at the crypto market. We are seeing that Bitcoin on that news, and honestly, BNB is still strong. I think this news honestly is going to blow over because Binance has a lot of money. CZ personally has a lot of money. He could probably cover the legal fees on his own. He's one of the richest men in the world, probably one of the top 5 richest men in the world on paper, and in terms of assets and just what he is in control of. So I think we can see that the SEC is not going to fare well, and especially when they have this Ripple case that they are going to lose, and it's just not going to look good for the SEC. So I think we actually might have a big win in crypto here, and we're going to see some awesome things happening here. So if we look at BNB right now, we can see that here on the news. On the daily, we were sitting at 300. We were skirting. I mean, it's been skirting on the 7-day. If you look, I mean, it's been sideways from 311 to 300. And then this is when we were kind of like, if you were peeking on the news, I mean, this would have been an amazing short, because we saw. Let's see if we were to look on the daily here and go on that news. Let's see. And yeah, I mean, down 7%, but then we had another 1% go up. So honestly, on that news, it's recovering. I think if you were to put in a trade now that you got a BNB got under 300, because BNB was getting a lot of support, and Binance as a whole, as an ecosystem, it's great. It's amazing. I mean, it's a really good ecosystem. It's fun. PancakeSwap is awesome. There's a lot of opportunities to make money on Binance. There's a lot more coins and things that you have to kind of weed out when it comes to Binance. Like, for instance, if you were to go to Morales Money and you were to check on what experienced traders are buying right now, but then if you were to go and switch it to the Binance Smart Chain and run those same metrics, we can see that Pepe. This is a Pepe on Binance. So I'm not sure if Pepe actually the actual chain. Let's see if this is the correct Pepe. So this might be a different Pepe. This might be just like a copy coin. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because if we were to go to the coin market cap, yeah, that's not the right one. Yeah, that's the total wrong one. Yeah, it's so crazy. I mean, you have to be so careful. That's the thing. If there's anything that I have, the cons of crypto, pun intended, is that there's a lot of things that you have to watch out for, like fake coins and contracts. So this is totally a fake one, pretty sure, because if you look at it, the liquidity is only 195,000. If we were to go to Pepe and actually just type in Pepe, here's a liquidity 1 month ago, 8 million here. So look, perfect example. So here you go. That is where you're going to experience some knowledge here, right there. So that was very easy for someone who's really new into the space to get freaking scammed. So you have to watch out. You got to be prepared. Got to be prepared for it. So let's see. Let's see what else is on this list for Binance. And we're going to go increased buyers, experienced buyers by 1,000 this month with a score of 90. And this is Morales Money, by the way, guys. If you're not using this, you got to go and check out Morales Money. Use my affiliate link. If you go into the description in the video and the live stream, you go down below in the description if you are watching right now, and check out all of my affiliate links and click on Morales Money. Check it out. You will not be disappointed. It is a token explorer where you can use filters and queries, save queries. You have an account. You can see exactly metrics on all, not all chains just yet, but the ones that are the most important, that have the most trading volume happening. For instance, you have Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Arbitrum, Phantom, Optimism, and Pulse Chain. So Pulse Chain's a new addition. So here are going to be those coins. If we have experienced buyers at 24,000, okay, so we're going to have to bump up those numbers. 1, 2, 3. So let's see if we, okay, so now we have El Capo. So this is how we can see what's happening here. We can see that's the biggest wallet. You can see how old this is. We had a huge pump here. See on the hourly. Sometimes, with these coins that are in the zero pricings, sometimes this one's not too bad, but let's see what's going on with this one. I like looking at stuff real quick on the fly with you guys. Yo boys, Butcher here. Here's the new meme token I've created, Capo token, dedicated to the biggest counter trading Twitter account, El Capo of crypto. We all know who is Crypto Capo, aka biggest bull trap I ever seen. Still short and strong, and more jokes like that. Interesting. Well, I don't know what that's all about. But let's see what else we got going on here. If you're in the stream, say what's up. We're just going to be hanging out. We're talking about Binance. We're talking about the SEC. We're looking at crypto coins. We're looking at what people are buying. If you are in this and you see this, you pop in. I want you to retweet it, hang out. We can chat. And let's see what else is going on. Let's see how my trades are doing. Let's see. All right, so Ape is doing better. Ape is doing really good. I feel like I should have scaled up these trades a little bit. I had some spot in here. just a little bit. I actually traded out of my PSYOP, and I'm holding on to my Ben. I just like bought a little bit of Ben in here, and this actually fluctuated up anywhere between to 150 over 150 bucks, and that was just from small amounts. And I actually got some airdrops in here from L-Bank for participating and holding Ben coin, and also got an airdrop of Kobusu 1, and just been kind of holding that. And that's what you get when you do things like L Bank. So if you use my referral code, you can get access to things like that. So right now, up $29 in profit on these trades. I think Conflux is definitely gonna go up more. I'll probably sit on these trades here and see what happens. This was up. This was just up 73%. This one was at 25. Now it's at 41. So let's see where that goes. Okay. So let's see. Agreement says BNB is this okay. So let's see what's going on with this. All right. Coin Bureau speculates worst case scenario. All right. So the worst outcome, however, because most BNB trading volume occurs on the international edition of Binance and other exchanges beyond the United States, it's unlikely to impact BNB's pricing significantly. Yeah, so it's interesting. Yeah, so they're particularly going after Binance in terms of the stablecoin being used in the United States. I think that's where they're trying to kind of get they're trying to dip in, and that's where they're trying to get them. But I still feel like it's ridiculous because we had so many instances where the SEC could have gotten Sam Bankman-Fried and all the people that were on his team for what they were doing, and they just like let all that crap go by. They just went right on by. And as Gary Gensler himself was having personal meetings with Sam Bankman-Fried and probably other people to probably orchestrate what's happening right now. So nothing just happens. Everything happens for a reason. I think that there is a calculated effort to take down crypto in the United States. And I guarantee you that, these people that are trying to take down crypto in the United States, they're honestly probably making money somehow overseas by funneling and money laundering. It's exactly what the Biden family does, the Obama family does. It's what the Clintons do. They money launder through different means, and if it's a means, they will take it, and we know what they do. So it's ridiculous. I think Gary Gensler is part of that pack. Honestly, Gary Gensler was the chief financial officer, or the chief financial advisor of the Clinton campaign. I think that was his background. Gary Gensler and Hillary Clinton. Here, Hillary Clinton hiring of CFO is called signal to possible donors. Hillary Rodham Clinton's recruitment of Gary Gensler, a former top federal Wall Street regulator, as her campaign's chief financial officer is meant to show donors she is serious about avoiding the overspending that plagued her 2008 presidential campaign. Get the F out of here. It's ridiculous. It's so ridiculous. So you shouldn't, you just can't, you cannot trust these people. They're ridiculous. They're scammers. If anyone are the biggest scammers in the world, it's these people. What they do is they do the biggest insider trading and money laundering that anyone has ever seen. And what they do is if you get too close and you sniff them out, they end up trying to kill you. And that's what happens. It's so ridiculous. So it's insane. But I've realized why there's probably no one in this stream right now, because I think everyone is in this Twitter Spaces listening to the SEC sues Binance with Borovic. There is currently 1.6 thousand people listening. There's probably that many people that would be on other live streams right now. So, yeah. So I'm sure you guys are probably in there. But if you were to look at right here, let's see. I am a listener on there on my phone, but I think I got popped off the. I'm trying to put myself in there because I am engagement farming, as you can see. Been engagement farming like crazy. I've been calling ben.eth out on just a couple things, because I think that he has to really, really deliver. He's got to really deliver. And hey, I'm talking to you directly, ben.eth. I've been asking for an interview. And we talked a long time ago before you got super blown up, before you were cool, or you were really cool. And some people would question if you were cool or not. It's hard to tell if you're cool when your only persona is through these projects, and it's hard to tell if you are a good person or not. And I think that matters. I think that really does matter. I think that matters in the crypto space. I think people don't talk about that enough. I think having integrity in what you do, and also just being a good person and wanting to help the world, wanting to help crypto, and use crypto for good. That's what we want. I mean, yes, there's freedom of choice in this world, but also I think there's a good question of morality when it comes to certain things. And that's just my personal opinion. You don't have to agree with it, but I think when it comes to something becoming mass adopted and you want it to succeed, then we have to use crypto for good. So not saying that Ben is using any of his projects for bad, or that he is going to rug pull. Who knows? We have to just, time will tell. Time will tell. So right now, if we were to actually look at those particular projects, if we were to look at, if we go to my watch list here, if you're not building up a watch list on CoinMarketCap, then I don't know what you're doing. Or if you're using CoinGecko, whatever you're using, you need to build up a coin watch list so you can get notified on all the coins movements. So right now, I think we can see that the market is recovering on the news. I think if we saw, if I think we would have seen a bigger drop. I mean, on the daily, we definitely saw some meme coins and other things drop pretty substantially. I think, honestly, what dropped the most? I think ApeCoin dropped the most, where I saw when I put in that trade, it was down almost 19%. So we can see everything here. BNB is currently at $278. ApeCoin at $2.88. Conflux at 23 cents. If we look at coins by ranking here, Bitcoin is at 25,698. So it was at 25,555. So it's regaining strength. So if we look here, it wouldn't be a good time to put in any shorts right now, because I mean, yes, Bitcoin could go to 20K, but I think the fact that it didn't dump super hard, that we could see some movement to the upside. So if we look here, we have, let's see. I mean, we were gaining strength here. Look on the hourly. I mean, we broke down pretty good. I think we're going to see a really good recovery here. We're going to see a really, really good recovery, especially here. I think here we got the so there's a meeting coming soon for the Federal Reserve, and let's see the balance of trade. I'm not sure what that correlates to. But yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. So, look at this movement here. And then, yeah, so if we look at the RSI here, we are, yeah, man, yeah, guys, we're gonna be, I think we're gonna be going up. I think we're gonna be going back up a little bit. That's my call. I think so. I don't think Bitcoin's gonna be affected. Not at all. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. All right. So, if you guys have not already, hit the like button, subscribe, and go ahead and go to Binance.us. make an account. Make sure you let the US know that you want to use Binance in the United States. Make a domain name. I'm not sure if you type the domain name in a browser, if it'll let you go directly to it, kind of almost like Etherscan. We will see here. So Dano Crypto dot Binance US. I'll have to see how it actually operates. I think you might be just directly through on your app. So whenever you're sending a transaction or you want to receive a transaction, then you would just type that in instead of just doing it with your full address. Okay. So let's see what's happening right now. So top news right now, if we go to see. Top articles. Oh, that's so weird. Did I lose my? Oh man, I didn't pay my bill for my Twitter Blue because I lost my check. Must have tried to bill it and it didn't go through. Terrible. I'll have to check on that. All right, so I think because everyone is in this stream, there's almost 2,000 people in that spaces. So, all right, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. You're tuning into other things, but come back to the channel another time, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.